E major. The bold, bold chord of E major. So the thing with E major is that the shape is unbelievably universal on the guitar. This shape is just going to climb its way all the way, up and down the neck. And in a previous video, we talked about the E minor chord. Well, it's very similar. What we had is we had our middle finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, and then now what we want to do is we want to add our index finger to the 3rd string, 1st fret. And that will give you E major. And by removing your index finger, you get the E minor with the little devil horns. Little ditty trick. You can hammer down that 1st fret, 3rd string. So E major. We're not worrying about intervals, what the notes are. We just want to remember this little pattern. That's still E major. The guitar is tuned to E. You have your E, A, D, G, B, E. So that's a shape that you want to be able to get down with the others, the first one meaning E minor. But just by placing that index finger down on the fretboard now on that 1st fret, 3rd string, you have an E major chord. You can swing back between the E major and the E minor if you're practicing or you're just learning. And you can hear that, the major 3rd or minor 3rd. And that's kind of the nuts and bolts of the guitar as far as the major and minor chords go. E minor, E major. So you want to get the difference of the minor and the major chord, memorized. So when you hear a song, that sounds like it's major, that sounds minor. Because as you go along with the guitar, you're going to want to either express the sounds you're hearing, or you want to mimic sounds, or you want to convey, a mood with a chord. So you want to know whether to grab a major chord or a minor chord. So, these first 2 lessons are where I usually start, with a new student, with the E minor chord, and then just showing them, or showing you, or showing anybody, that just by adding your index finger here, it becomes major. Remove it, it becomes minor. And that's basically what happens all over the guitar neck. If you say you have this shape, but you have it up here in A, I still have my E shape, but I've removed my middle finger. Now I have a minor, A minor, A major. I hope you find this useful. I have many more videos coming your way. Simple, quick lessons. You don't have to spend your whole day playing the guitar, although I wish I could. 3-5 minutes a day will keep you going, hopefully keep you inspired.